This 2019 Keystone Bullet 273 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ina, Illinois, 62846 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.